Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to apply for a government loan scheme. First, ensure you meet the specific eligibility requirements, which often include factors like income thresholds, residency status, and business type. Next, gather all required documents such as identification, financial statements, and business plans. Finally, navigate to the designated government online portal, which is the exclusive platform for submitting your application. This streamlined approach ensures a smooth and compliant submission process. To successfully apply, you must first confirm your eligibility. This typically involves meeting specific income brackets, demonstrating a certain business size, or fulfilling personal criteria. You will need to prepare essential identification documents, such as your national identification card or passport. Additionally, compile comprehensive financial records, including your tax returns and bank statements from the past 24 months. For business loans, a well-structured business plan outlining your objectives and financial projections is absolutely crucial for a successful submission. The next critical step is navigating the official online application portal. Begin by creating a secure user account, ensuring all your personal details are accurately entered. Proceed to carefully complete every section of the digital application form, paying close attention to detail. Upload all your supporting documents, making sure they are in the specified digital formats, such as PDF or JPEG, and are clearly legible. Before finalizing, take a full review of your entire application to catch any potential errors or omissions. Once you have thoroughly reviewed your application, proceed to submit it through the official government portal. Immediately after submission, make sure to note down your unique application reference number. This is vital for all future inquiries. It is highly recommended to regularly monitor the status of your application directly on the portal, as updates will be posted there. Finally, be prepared to respond promptly to any requests for additional information or clarification from the loan scheme administrators to ensure your application progresses smoothly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.